Here's a mask that's motion blurred, and I'm going to multiply it by its own beauty pass. Notice how when you multiply it makes everything darker. What if instead of multiplying it, we divide it? Dividing does the opposite. It makes everything brighter. And because the alpha channel and the beauty pass are falling off at the exact same rate, they perfectly undo each other and normalize everything to 100%. So if I were to take this channel and load it as a selection and use that as a mask, that would be bad. But if we were to divide it and then merge down and load that as a selection, it would be soft edged.